Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have an AQUILUX Petrol lighter made in France. Marked on the base, AQUILUX Bte SGDG. This was listed as black lacquer. I am not sure what the base metal is. It kind of looks like copper. I think couldn't find a lot of information about this lighter online. I think it is from the 30s or 40s. I don't see any markings on that fill screw. It does have a gasket intact and a flathead screwdriver that you can use to adjust your flint spring screw. It's definitely got some wear and some grime or corrosion. If you enjoy watching videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit that share button. Send that link off in a text, email, post it on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. You can leave any comments or questions below the video. I did want to look. It's hard to tell what the base metal is. It looks like copper. It's copper colored, but I don't know if that is a result of whatever coat is over the top. This was listed as black lacquer, so I don't know exactly how that process is applied or what exactly it entails. It could be a brass lighter that just has a different hue because of the coat. Either way, shows plenty of wear, tarnish to the, I believe, the base metal. See, that makes me wonder there too though, because the lift arm looks copperish there, but then in other areas it doesn't. It is tarnished in a way that I don't think copper would. But I've said it a million times, I'll say it again. I'm not an expert on metals. It's all just speculation. But the poker or card motif or gambling motif is something that is very appealing to me. Very cool. It's not something that I do much these days other than speculating on lighters, but it's something that I have done a little bit of in the past as friendly entertainment. This sort of looks like the kind of lighter that Doyle Brunson might have had on him when he won one of the World Series. It's got the flint spring screw mechanism here on the back at the top, as a lot of these roller style lighters do. A spring mechanism to provide tension for the lift arm or lid. That flint tube was clear when I got it. I did have to pull the wick up a little bit. Didn't cut it, just tugged it up a little. As far as the condition, there are plenty of chips to the paint or finish, however that is properly described. Wear, scuffs, paint loss. Corrosion, tarnish, and still a very nice lighter. Very cool the way that, I assume that's the base metal behind that gives it that shimmer and forms. The shapes of the card suits are formed by the black lacquer, if that is indeed what that is. It's got wear on all sides. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms. That'll be Dependable Flame or DependableFlame.com, on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. Until next time.